I'm headed back to Cabo San Lucas to take over RIU Santa Fe Resort's pink pool party. This foam party is about to be legendary. Let's freaking
go, 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 go.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Ryan here with more Bleak Travels, and we are at RIU Santa Fe getting ready to hit this pink day pool party right now. You see the boys stripped out in pink. We got these lovely ladies right here. Oh my goodness. Now, you know, I couldn't pass up an opportunity to get a photo with these bonitas. Oh my God. It's a party.
Jump in the whip, headed to Cabo. Pool party vibes, it's about to go loco. Bikinis popping, bodies moving slow-mo. Sipping on margaritas, feeling so for show. Dripping with style, shades on my face. Feeling the summer, this is the perfect place.
Yeah, this is where you want to be. I'm telling you guys right now, if you come to Cabo, RIU Santa Fe, if you want to party, this is where you party.
Blue balls, fresh breeze through the palms, nothing can't fall. Sexy senorita.
Miami Vice. There's chicks everywhere.
On the drink, yeah, we staying hydrated. At the Cabo pool party, ain't no time to be faded. Bikini clad ladies, they be dancing in the sun. With a splash in the pool, we bout to have some fun. Got the DJ dropping beats, it's a crazy party scene. People jumping out the water like they on a trampoline. We got drinks flowing, bottles popping in the air. Everybody turned up, we ain't gotta care. We got floaties and inflatables making waves in the pool. People laughing and splashing, breaking all the rules. The sun beaming down, feel the sizzle on your skin. Cabo pool party, that's where the party begins. I touched down in Cabo, feeling like a king. The party's going crazy, I'm doing my thing. Got the drinks flowing, bottles in the air. We came to party hard, forget all I care. I'm stepping in the club, DJ dropping fire. The beats got me jumping, my adrenaline higher. Bodies moving left and right, catching the vibes. Everybody's dancing, cause tonight we thrive. With the sun shining bright, the ocean calling me. We hit the beach feeling wild and free. Sand between my toes, waves crashing on my feet. Living life to the fullest, this moment can't be beat.
I think these Miami Vice is gonna do me right. Keep me from overheating. Tamales, tamales, tamales.
Sitting ditching with the shouts under the blazing sun. You know what, having fun in Mexico. Number one, hit the pool party, it's a southern fiesta. With the beat bumping loud, we just can't rest up. Bikinis everywhere, dancing to the rhythm. Sipping on that tequila, feeling so free and risen. No worries in the world, just living life large. Southern rap style, we taking charge. We got the poolside jumping like a trampoline. Southern rap kings, you know what I mean. Shaking up the speakers, making waves with our flow. The party's going wild, everybody's in the zone.
Lucas County, baby.
Hey, you wear one now?
You better Almost drowned in foam. I did. Damn near. They started passing out these pink balloons and the party went from a 10 to an 11 real quick.
Baby, I'm calling for you, and I'm stuck in a loop.
Birthday twin! Yeah! Yeah! Happy birthday! What?
Booty cheeks clapping at the pool party in Cabo. We're turning up and getting naughty, sun shining, bodies glistening in the heat. We came to party hard.
Universe works out the way it's supposed to.
Shorts, everybody feeling fine. We're living it up, forgetting about the grind. Hands up in the air, drinks flowing all around. Booty clapping like thunder, making that sound. Booty clapping like thunder, making that sound. Booty clap, all day and night at the Cabo pool party. We're feeling so right. Booty clap, move that thing, let the rhythm take over. Make your body sing. Make your body sing.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me.
This was the perfect opportunity to get out and meet people from the resort. Everybody was friendly, the vibes were good, and we were all there to party.
Change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. There's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
In the land of the blessed, where the sun always shines, we're gonna celebrate, feel the spirit, feel the vibes. At a pool party in Cabo, it's a heavenly sight, where the booty cheeks clap, bringing joy day and night. There's a rhythm in the water as the bodies sway. With joyful hearts we gather, our troubles fade away. From the poolside to the deep end, the spirit sets us free. Booty cheeks clapping, dancing in pure ecstasy. Feel the power of the rhythm, feel it deep in your soul.
Pour out the bubbles, we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty, your 10, the rubber band, come